There are 11 baking soda tricks that every woman should be aware of. Many women give their skin, body, and hair care products extra thought when it comes to their appearance. Sadly, many commercial items contain chemicals that are more harmful than beneficial. However, there are always more organic ways to maintain good health. Consider baking soda as an example. When consumed alone, it offers undiscovered health advantages. The majority of you most likely have a box of baking soda at home. Its primary uses include raising baked goods, eliminating acid-induced aromas, and used as a cleaning solution to scour practically everything. Before we start, don't forget to switch on notifications so that you don't miss any of our new videos, and to subscribe to our channel for more daily advice like this. The top health advantages of baking soda that every woman should be aware of are listed here. Starting with Number 1, treat kidney disease. According to Dr. Julian Whitaker, the body creates an alkaline material that acts as a buffer for acids and regulates pH levels. According to Whitaker, those with kidney disease struggle to expel acid from their bodies. However, a recent study by British researchers found that supplementing with sodium bicarbonate actually reduced the rate of kidney decline by 2/3. Number 2, cure occasional heartburn and indigestion. Several over-the-counter medications, including Alka-Seltzer, Rolaids, and Tums, contain bicarbonate in some form. Whitaker claims that using natural baking soda would be even more effective if those pharmaceuticals are successful in treating indigestion and heartburn. 1 hour after having a meal, he advises mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda with half a cup of water and then drinking the mixture. Number 3, oral hygiene. Whitaker says it might not be the best idea to brush your teeth by just dipping your toothbrush in baking soda. It would gradually erode the protecting enamel due to its abrasive properties. He advises consumers to stay with toothpaste sold in stores that have baking soda in them. Number 4, mouthwash. I've already explained the benefits of using baking soda as a toothbrush cleaner, but I didn't add the benefits of using it as a mouthwash. According to Healthline, baking soda can get to areas of your teeth, tongue, and gums that are difficult to reach when brushing them. Mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda with a half glass of warm water is the simplest way to use it as a mouthwash. Number 5, treats canker sores. In 1973, Sunnybrook Hospital established a mouth clinic. The majority of the patients who visited that clinic had persistent ulceration. It was sometimes difficult to diagnose and even more difficult to treat. However, according to Healthline, particular therapy using baking soda helped 7 out of 10 patients' ailments. Number 6, whitens teeth. According to Medical Science Monitor, baking soda's mild abrasive characteristics allow it to disrupt the bonds of molecules that stain the teeth, which is why it's so good at whitening teeth. Additionally, baking soda has antibacterial and antimicrobial qualities that help combat hazardous microorganisms. Number 7, deodorant. According to John Henderson Lamb, MD, of the University of Oklahoma School of Medicine, baking soda functions as a natural deodorant because it can get rid of the stench of perspiration by making it less acidic. Number 8, could possibly improve exercise performance. Lactic acid is produced by muscles, which is why exercise causes a burning sensation. Your cell's internal pH is lowered by lactic acid, which may be why your muscles ache. A study that was published in Biomed Central found that those who ingested sodium bicarbonate before exercising had higher peak blood lactate levels and felt less exertion overall. In plainer language, participants were able to exercise for longer periods of time than normal. Number 9, treats itchy skin and sunburns. According to WebMD, baking soda has characteristics that can help reduce the redness brought on by itchiness and the stinging sensation brought on by sunburn. Baking soda is present in many over-the-counter goods. However, baking soda can be used to produce your own paste, or you can add it to the water in your bath. Number 10, bleaches your clothes. Because baking soda whitens your laundry and it's an alkali when it dissolves in water, research at the University of Nebraska claims that it's effective for cleaning clothes. It can interact with the acids in stains to aid in their removal. Number 11, removes carpet stains. According to a U.S. National Library article titled Removes Carpet Stains of Medicine, mixing baking soda and vinegar produces a substance known as carbon acid. This component is frequently found in cleaning solutions. They combine to provide a fizzing feeling that penetrates the carpet and takes off the spots. The fact remains that baking soda is a flexible commodity with numerous uses outside of cooking. But I would first consult a medical expert before you try to use it for health benefits. If you're using it for any part of your body, I would likewise advise caution. Baking soda's characteristics can irritate the skin and eyes. Like the video? Please like and subscribe to our channel. And of course, thanks for watching.